Hi guys and welcome back to our agricultural farm. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video, I want to be talking about benefits of lime or lemon in poultry farming. Yeah, as you all may know, lime or lem, whatever you call it, it helps so much in the farm. So before we go straight, come on, like the video, subscribe and share the video. And lastly, after watching the video, do want to drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this lovely video. So first of all, let us say you may know what lime does in the human system. Like my previous video when I talk about my tomatoes farming, and you all saw it when I was talking about my throat. I have sore throat, so this line helped me a lot. So it helps a lot. So apart from that, cough. You know we are in dry season now in Nigeria, and dust everywhere. So cough is too much. So this help in the intake of cough. It helps to destroy cough. So I don't want the video to be too long. I want it to be too short because I'm going to show you how I give it to the bird. How often I give this lime to the bird. I got this lime yesterday from the market. So first of all, we'll be talking about the benefit. Before we go straight to the benefit, come on guys, we have already hit 1,000 subscribers. Take this channel to 10,000 subscribers. Please, that's our goals from 10,000. That's will be increasing. Please, as you're watching, if you haven't subscribed, let me just subscribe right now and comment below. Come on, please subscribe. Let's take the channel to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the benefit of this lime in poultry farming. As you may know, benefit lime helps a lot in the human system, and this is for poultry. Let's talk about the benefits of this lime in poultry farming. So first of all, let's talk about the benefits. One of the benefits is that it gives weight to the bird. If your birds are not having enough weight, it provides weight for them. So another benefit is that it helps in the treatment of fowl pox, coryza, and CRO, the chronic respiratory disease. So you know fowl pox, that is the crab wattle, will be bringing out some infection or whatever. So you just need lime and salt, use it to rub it, it will kill the fowl pox away. Coryza as well, and CRD, which is chronic respiratory disease. I just make sure cough that I have cough, which is it helps a lot in killing of cough. So chronic respiratory disease is part of cough. So if your birds are having cough, do what to give them. This my bird here are having cough, so I'll be giving them this um this lime. It will help them for destroying of cough. Apart from that one, it helps in the treatment of infection, different infection, fungi, bacterians. It helps in the treatment of infection. If your birds are affected with infection, it helps in the treatment of infection. It also promotes protein digestion. If that means the feed inside, like commercial feed, protein is inside, so it helps in the digestion of protein. So apart from that one, the last benefit, it also helps in the absorption of feed. If your birds are not having a good absorption, it helps in the absorption of food easily. Okay, so it also keep the birds alive as well. We talk about so many organic remedies down below. Check it on my channel, you'll find it out there. Please, lastly, before we go ahead to make this to the best, come on, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. You can chat me up on Instagram for farming updates. So let's go guys, let's give this and let's make this to our birds. So guys, let's cut the lime. So my knife is not that sharp. So if you are giving this to your birds, come on, they will love it. Okay, I've already washed this already, and you can see inside. Oh, there's water. Wow, there's water. There's enough water coming out from it. Okay. So let's cut another one. It's just two I want to use. I will use the other one for drinking another day. Ooh. Okay, so this is how it goes. This one don't have that much water more than the first one. It have few water in it. Okay, we'll suck it out anyway. So this is how I do mine. If you have any other method, feel free so far the water comes out. That's just it. This of the green one don't has that much water. This one still have water in it. See, this one like one that is about to spoil. So if you have this in your compound, feel free. If you have it anywhere around you, feel free to use it. There are so many organic remedy to use in this poultry industry. Okay. I'm just removing the seed. I should have just filter it, but I don't have uh that filter that has little amount of hole. I don't just have that one. So I'll be trying this before. I'll be using this method. This one is gonna be. So this is it. And let's have a taste of it. It's good, guys. It's very good. It's massive. So this one I want to use it another day for me. So I told you guys I have cough. I'll be using it another day. So please give me a minute. So there are so many organic remedies to try at home. Some of them just put on here. My table is super clean, so I just need to add it to it. Come on, guys. So let's go and give this to our birds. Let's see, are they going to love it? So guys, and this is my drinker for my local birds. I've already put water in it, and you can see the water in it already. So you need to mix it with water. You cannot just give them like this. It will be so harsh. The acid will be so harsh. So just mix it with water, and there it goes, and that's all. So you can at least use your hand to turn it or anything available. So let's give it to the best. Let's see how are they gonna drink it or how are they gonna love it. So let's see if any of them is gonna drink it. Come on, test it. Have a taste of it. These are local birds. They usually select, and you can see this one eyes. You can see, so you really need this to treat this. So you really need this. So we're gonna give them time to drink it, and whenever they are drinking it, trust me, I just put a video for that. So they usually select always. Voila. That one I started drinking it and he love it. So let's see. and you taste it. I know you guys want to come out, but at least drink something because you guys are local best. You guys play all around the environment. So if you can please drink something, I just give you 10 minutes to drink and then I release you. That's just it. Alright guys, so if you love the video, don't forget to comment as usual. Comment, let me know what you think about the video. So the best are going to drink it. I'll give them at least, let me say, 10 minutes before I release them so that they can play around the environment because you're seeing them now, don't want to come out. The way it's even testing it is like that taste, you know, the taste lime have. So that's why it's just letting it, okay? So but at least drink something to help you. So guys, don't forget to comment below, like, subscribe and share. Take this channel to 10,000 subscribers as I usually say. Till meet again another video. God bless you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video and bye bye.